Hello and welcome again. My name is Philip Hatter, Director of Coffee and Trading for Vienna Coffee Company. We've done a few videos to talk about brewing your coffee at home, and I hope that you've gotten some good out of that and have put it into practice and have made some amazing cups. What I want to do today is talk about a specific tool in your brewing arsenal, and that is your kettle. Now, many folks at home, when they're brewing coffee, use something like this. It's sort of a traditional tea kettle. It comes to a boil and you can brew with this. However, what you see here is a short little spout. And this actually has a nice pointed spout, but some of them are rounded. And what this does when you're pouring, it kind of comes out really fast and does a lot of agitation on the coffee bed. That is compared to a gooseneck kettle. So the gooseneck kettle actually slows our pour down and enables us to focus in and do a nice tight, even and precise extraction on our coffee bed. I just want to demonstrate real quick the difference between the two, just so I can show you that the gooseneck kettle is really what you want to go with. So first, the traditional kettle. I've got some coffee set up here in these Chemexes, and I'm just going to go in and do a little bit of pouring real quick, and we'll see. I have to tilt the kettle forward. I don't know if you can see that. And so it does a really heavy pour, and that really gives a lot of agitation to the coffee bed. Now, that's not a bad thing. You're gonna make a great cup of coffee. But if you'd like to be more precise, the gooseneck kettle, when you pour, you can get in with a nice steady stream and a really nice even pattern. So you can really control the way you extract that coffee. So, is it worth it? I say yes. The gooseneck kettle, it gives you control. And so, if you would like to get one of those, you're in luck, because we do sell them here in the store and online. We have two versions. One is this really beautiful Bodum electric version. This will heat your water up to a boil. And so what you want to do is, once you heat that to the boil, just set this off for a few minutes, and that will allow the temperature to come down to that ideal brew temp, which, as I've said before, is between 195 and 205. We also have this Hario Buono kettle. This is a non-electric version. You can, however, put water in this and heat it on the stove. It's a nice solid metal construction. It's going to do the same thing. It's going to give you that nice, tight, precise pouring pattern that gives you a really delicious cup of coffee. And that's what we're after, isn't it? So I hope that's been helpful. A short little video about one specific tool. We'll have more coming at you soon. But thank you again for your continued support. I hope you're drinking some great coffee, and we'll talk to you again really soon. Thanks.